This song is currently unavailable. Instagram problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now this issue like this generally arrives when you have an outdated version of the application. So for that, let's go and check if we have an updated version of Instagram. So launch the Play Store application and then tap on the search bar and search for Instagram over here. As you do that, you'll be able to see there is no option of update over here as of now on the screen. So which means we have the latest version of the application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on Instagram, then tap on app info. As you tap on app info, you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. So just tap on it and then clear the cache, then tap on OK. Next, you can just relaunch the Instagram application and that might help you fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.